Doctor Pharmacy Association Kerala urges government to absorb thousands of PharmD graduates into government healthcare services. The Doctor Pharmacy Association Kerala, an association of over 4,000 PharmD qualified clinical pharmacists, has written a letter to the Union Health Minister urging him to break the government's silence in ensuring the services of PharmD degree holders in healthcare sector and wanted him to find ways to absorb them into government services. Thousands of Indian youths have passed out the doctoral pharmacy program and they are waiting for the government's mercy for creation of clinical pharmacist post in healthcare sector and clinical research officer post in medical research areas. Apart from clinical pharmacy, drug research areas can also be opted for the prospective benefit of the doctoral pharmacy graduates, the letter written to Dr. Harshvardhan says. Further, the minister is apprised of one burning issue faced by the PharmDs that while thousands of course completed graduates are remaining without any specified job, there are thousands of students still pursuing the program in various institutions by spending lakhs of rupees. Each one's ambition is to get a job in their own area, which is said to be clinical pharmacy, says the letter sent by Dr. Nabil Skaria, General Secretary of DPAK, and the first batch pass out of the PharmD in Kerala. Sharing the information, Dr. Noble said it is the duty of the government to find ways to absorb them into the healthcare and drug research sectors. There are so many other unspecified areas this PharmD personnel can be absorbed into. In spite of repeated requests for the last 7 years, and the government is making lame excuses for its apathy in creating placements conforming to their expertise and qualification. The government can utilize the PharmDs even now for the drug researches aimed against the novel coronavirus, but nothing favorable or fruitful towards PharmD holders is coming from the side of the government. He said the employability and utilization of potential of PharmD graduates are now a burning issue at the national level. There are several areas where the PharmDs can be posted to strengthen the clinical side and the research areas. In foreign countries, the healthcare sector engages doctoral pharmacy graduates in the clinical side along with the doctors. When the issue was brought to the attention of Dr. Suresh Sarvedkar, the honorary consultant for medication management at the Institute of Medical Sciences, Benares Hindu University in Varanasi, who raised his voice for PharmDs, said it is high time for the government created suitable posts for doctoral pharmacy graduates. He said, the diploma and the degree pharmacists get hospital experience and clinical experience only after they are appointed in pharmacies as drug dispensers. But PharmD graduates, even while they are studying their course, they avail knowledge about pharmacy profession, clinical pharmacy practice, adverse reaction of drugs, counseling patients, etc. within the hospitals as part of their curriculum. So, the government must see the employment potentials of the doctoral pharmacy people and absorb them into the healthcare sector. They can be, to a certain extent, equated with the pharmacologists, so the skill of their resourcefulness needs to be utilized in areas of drug research also. Not only can they be appointed as clinical pharmacists but can be selected as research assistants or officers in drug research laboratories and in vaccine manufacturing centers of both government and private. I am preparing a proposal to be submitted to Dr. Harshvardhan in respect of PharmD graduates' employment potential, he said. Dr. Sarvedkar further said the areas such as pharmacy education, drug regulation, clinical research, and hospital pharmacy are the prominent areas doctoral pharmacy degree holders can be engaged in.